Go ahead and open your Google Maps app. In the search option, type in the address that you want to go to, and then you are going to click on directions. Then on the top right, you'll see 3 dots lined up vertically. Click on it. Then we are going to select the depart or arrive time option. Say we have a place we need to arrive at 8 a.m. next Monday. Go ahead, select the date, select the time, and then we are going to click Arrive By and then click Set. It says, in order for us to leave and get there at 8, we should leave at 7:05. Google Maps says it's typically 30 to 55 minutes. I like to go with the greater number, especially if you live in a big city. When I was in LA, this helped me a lot. I would literally use the greater time. I would get there with only 15 minutes to spare or 10 minutes to spare. There are times you will get there really early, but I always go with the greater number. So 7:05, I will get to my location in Orlando by 8. This helps with traffic and accidents that may occur. The other option you can do is go back to the 3 vertical dots. Click Set Depart or Arrive Time. We are going to click the Depart at. Let's say you have other places you have to go before you get to your location. So we'll just say 6 o'clock if we leave at 6 o'clock. And this is the first place we need to go just to stop by and pick something up. Roughly, we'll be there around 6:40 or 6:26. If you found this to be helpful, subscribe for more.